there was Fatla Sound, there was Rangers, Bushbox, and there was Gunners. Now I can, with an interest in explosives, I said that so I joined the Gunners now. And every time with the Gunners, there were three divisions. There were the A division, those are the real experts. There was the B division, and guess where I played the C division again. Those experts actually told me they could kick balls from one end of the field to the other. There was Tony Susan who could jump down into the air, kick the ball backwards, and they would have another one who could actually deflect the ball out of the goal mount very, very expertly. And they told me, and my competitor, the friend, the person I stayed mostly with, we called him Blues, and tell the name, the purpose of that name, I don't go into that. And he used to taunt me every morning. Saturday comes, he says, so tomorrow you die, and Gunners is going to lose. And in that way, we had a spectator, almost a full spectator participation in the sport. Everybody was on the field. And in that particular manner, we developed, we evolved as a community of sport, community of students, a community of musicians. I learned a theory of music there from the experts, and I can listen up to